Hello everyone. There is an Excel challenge given that we have to quick analysis for this page. At the time of writing post, it was 61965 followers and we want to reach 100,000 followers by the end of 31st December. So question is, what rate should we grow to achieve this target? So this is a very small simple analysis that we have to do. So I am Saurabh Jain from bi-analytics.org, and today let's start working something on Excel, practical example. So let me see what the followers are today. Today is 31st October and it's 62635 followers. So let's open. Let's first write start. So this is 31st October 22 and we can see that we have 62635 followers. 62635 followers. Okay, so this is the target. Now we say that end is, let's take it as 31st December 22. Fine. So this is the target. Now I want to see that I want to achieve 100,000 targets at the 31st December. So let's first create a date wise schedule. Now there are many ways to solve this problem, but my idea is to teach you something new. So let's start. First of all, let me write a sequence function. Say is equals to sequence, and it says rows. So how many rows I want? Okay, so I want this minus this plus 1, this many rows, then column 1 column, and comma start is, this is start date. Okay, I close this and I get all these dates. Now I can create a Control Shift hash. This will give us a date. So we have all the dates from 31st October to 31st December. Fine. Now our target is that starting is equals to this one, and now I want to fill this data, say with 100,000 followers. That's 100,000, 10,000. So this is the thing. Now what I want to do is I want to fulfill that how many followers I need on daily basis to achieve this target. So let's Control Shift down and go to home, and let's go to series. Now when I go to the series, this is column and linear growth. Now I'm not talking about growth, I'm talking about linear growth. I click on trend, this button, and I click OK, and see I got the forecasting. And now if I apply is equals to this minus this, so I need around 612 followers every day. So if I double click this, see I got around 612, 613 followers to reach this. So this was one way of doing it. Every day if I increase this followers by 612 followers, so now this looks achievable. Okay, because you have 60,000 followers, you can get 600 followers, right? So this is one way to quickly start some analysis. Or even you want, what you can do is you can plot the chart of it, say insert, and in recommended charts you can go like this. Suppose you say okay, so this is the chart, and you can say chart design, maybe something we can have. So look, this is the chart. So idea was that we need almost 612 followers per day if we want to reach 1 lakh by 31st December. Okay, this was one method. Now let's go for second method. So what is the idea? So I say let's decide number of days is equals to end minus this. Okay, simple. Now 61 days, and say you want to know number of this. So I say is equals to unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh minus this one. So we want to achieve this in 61 or 62 days, whatever you feel like. So if I do this is equals to this divided by, so you get again 612, right? So we need 612 new followers every day. Now this is done with second method. Now comes the second part. What if happens this? See, now this is the thing we've got. Now I have some questions in my mind. My questions are, okay, say now I want, someone offered me that with our marketing campaign we can easily do 800 followers per day. So if I can do 800 followers per day, at which date we will achieve the target? Let's do this. So our target is, we'll use goal seek. So I go to data, I say what if analysis, goal seek. Now I say set cell, this one, which is 612, to value of 800. Someone is offering me his services that we can easily do 800 followers per day. Now I say by changing cell, this one. So when I click on this, enter, see what happens. Okay. So this is calculating, and it says with 800 followers you can achieve the target of 1 lakh with 16 December 22. So this was the example of goal seek. Now let's do another thing. I'm cancelling it. Now let's say there are different companies or there are different people in my marketing team. They say I can easily do this 800 followers. Say someone says 500 followers per day. Someone says 800 followers, some 1200 followers, and someone says 2000 followers per day. So I want to know if this is the scenario, or let's take it reverse. We can do this also with goal seek. If this is the scenario, at which date will we finishing the thing? Or secondly, let's take it something different. I want to finish it by 15 December 22, or I want to finish by 31st Jan 23, or I want to finish by 28th December 22, or I want to finish by, see, let's take another one, say 5 December 22. So these are the dates I want to finish it. So how much followers per day I have to increase with this model? So what I do is I say in this is equals to this one, or I say this one, because this is the actual date, this is the followers, right? So I want to calculate how many followers per day I need based on these end dates. Okay, so I just click on this and say what if analysis, data, what if analysis, and now I say data table. I say row input cell, because these are my rows, 5 December this, and in row input cell I say this is my row input. Now see, as soon as I click on this, I will come to know that I need 1067 followers per day if I want to achieve on 5th December. I need 830 followers per day if I want to achieve in 15th December. I want 644 if I want to achieve this. So this is another way. So look, first I use sequence function, then I use simple mathematical model, then I showed you a goal seek example, and then I showed you this data table example. Hope you like it. There are many ways to solve it, and there are many ways to actually plan out and do the analysis. But this was very simple exercise, no formatting, nothing. But people use Excel in this way also. Hope you liked it. I will wait for your comments. What are your steps? What are your approach?